in beef. This disease is worldwide distribution. They are endemic reported on March 10, 2017 by Turkish Schwab, which involved three Malaysian. First, a Malay Muslim. Second, a Malaysian Chinese. And third, a native Sabahan. For Malay Muslim, he got seizure. And the doctor believes the transmission is by contaminated food or water. Meanwhile, the native Sabahan and Malaysian Chinese is infected by digesting raw or undercooked contaminated beef with Taeniasis.
So, how do animals get infected? Animal ingest the vegetation or the pasture that contaminated with the eggs or gravid probiotics that excreted in the human fecal waste. This is very common in areas with poor hygiene and also with poor animal husbandry practice. So typically, the eggs or gravid probiotics will pass with the feces into the environment, and then when the animal consumes it, into the oncosphere will hatch and will penetrate through their intestinal wall to the animal muscle. In the muscle, the oncosphere will develop into cysticercosis. Humans become infected when they eat raw or undercooked meat, and the cysticercosis will develop into adult tapeworm. The adult tapeworm will reside in the small intestine by using their scolex to attach to the small intestine, and they may survive for years. After that, the probiotics will be produced by the adult tapeworm, and when they mature, they will become gravid probiotics. And this will be detached and pass with the feces through the anus to the environment, and the eggs will be released when the feces is in the environment. Humans will become infected with this disease when they accidentally ingest the eggs through fecal oral route. Humans will not get cysticercosis by eating raw or undercooked pork. When the cysticercosis develop in human, it will usually affect many organs such as subcutaneous tissue, brains, and eyes.
Okay, so since humans can get infected with Taeniasis through consuming contaminated meat, we as consumers have to ensure that we always cook our meat thoroughly and avoid consuming any raw meat. Purchasing our meat from reliable sources, markets, and sellers that have the necessary certification like GAHP and HACCP are also important in preventing this intestinal infection in humans. Okay, so for animals, it is important for farmers and producers to have good husbandry practices. So number one, we should always maintain good hygiene for the animals, carry out proper sanitation regularly, and always provide clean, safe drinking water supply. Now, as a preventative measure, these animals can be treated with antiparasitics and anthelmintics such as praziquantel, oxybenzone, and nicosamide, which all can prevent the infection of these tapeworms in their intestines.